Habekran beginong patay kubor Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulai tu balai ngut Nongtih par kila dabi Jingbit banti Dewiong bat kila sedang ru ikikam kejam jengki bat kebasa mata kadai halor ke jengkai ya Dewiong ulai tu ru basakat wengut Nongtih par kin sayo no ke Jingbit banti Dewiong kat kum ke jeng start science bat gibo ni gini gidai naga district East Janja Hills bat West Khasi Hills.
Three have been approved and given a full mining operation clearance, which means they've started mining, they've started extracting coal, and there are of course certain issues which are now left in terms of the transportation of that coal. But mining of the coal has started in a scientific manner, and as I mentioned to you, Coal India has come and seen it, and they're satisfied with the Coal Ministry has come in and seen it, and they're satisfied with the work, where the work is going, and we are moving forward. I don't have the exact numbers with me on the exact position, but as far as the latest information is that about 11 more mines are just on the verge of getting the mining opening permission. But I don't know the exact status of that. But matter of maybe a month or 2 months, we will be able to see another 10 to 11 mines or miners getting permission to start the scientific mining.